thought somebody taught him Roach Giggs was killing it around here. Huh? It's the ROACHGIGZ. I will get active if need be. An actress is just a BC on TV. I'll break her like a heart or a huddle. I'm a shark in a puddle, and that's part of the trouble. Too big for this water. Got you mad like a dad with my dick and his daughter. If I ain't in your lineup, you're missing your starter. I was getting lined up, sitting with my barber, sitting with my guard up. Cause that charger that made a right on the corner might be when them guys that would like my demise. I'm confused as you, dude, I don't know why. I'm sipping some Thai iced tea with a Pisces who thinks she like me. She really like the fact that I rap and I'm icy, no chain though. All my women nameless, to me they some Jane does. I strangle the beat till that bitch turn blue, boy. Damn, that's cool, boy. Ooh, boy, I'm hot in a rude boy. True story, I used to mix taco with a lot of bitter orange juice. Only way you don't die if you born proof. So I'm gon' live till I sleep with the caterpillars. Real shit, I live with my own definition of what real is. Keep it so solid with the ones that keep it solid with me. Solid like a pile of bricks. Don't holler, I don't follow chicks. That's not what my problem is. Lines don't define me, and you a fucking columnist. Don't know what your style is. You rap like everybody and they mama sis. You should stay anonymous. I'm kinda pissed these weak rappers honest shit, but my time will come like a clock getting fucked. Do you get it or are you kinda dumb? Line them up, baby, I'ma knock them down. Knock them down, knock them down, knock them down. Yeah, I'm RGZ. Look inside my eyes and I bet you believe me. Inspired by the genie of the lamp. See me with my hand on my pants trying to pull them up. Other hand on my bottle, drinking like I'm trying to die though. I still could drive though, now my car is homicidal. And if I ever crash, I would walk to Nevada for a model piece of ass who suck like a champ and still pay for my gas. If you got the chance, you probably be in my position. Now you are the opposition. Oops, I forgot to mention that I'm fucking awesome. Bitches, can I have fun with it? Take the track and run with it. I mean, run on it. Oh, you got